So expanding on the previous video, using Groove Agent 4 with a roll and adding a kick, I thought I'd just do a small arrangement and add some percussion using Groove Agent. So this is what we've got so far. So adding some percussion in order to fill up this gap just here. Now let me just add another agent, a track. Then what we can do is go into Percussion Agent, which is just here, and there's a million different types of percussive elements to it. So I'm just going to focus on disco and this alien cowgirls just here. Now this will load with patterns intact. So let's listen to it playing with it. So that's all good and well, but I don't really like the conga, so I'll see if we can edit that out. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it looks like there's a conga, so let's just have a listen to that. What you can do is open up the edit page and edit the individual elements. You can also change the complexity, intensity, and alter the groove and swing. So we're just going to run through that. So let me just start playing. Play the actual track, the small arrangement, and add some of these grooves, and drop in and out some of these component parts here just to see what sounds better, because I'm not too sure about the conga. So let's get going. So I'll take out the conga. See what it's like without the cabassa. Let's add a bit more complexity to the claps. So I want the claps to be a bit more intense, and this conga, take that out, see what it sounds like. Add the cabassa. Yeah, I like that. So add some sort of groove. Yeah. Okay, this sounds good. So you can export the MIDI there, or you can drag the pad to your host. And I think what I'll do for this second part is add the conga back in. So we add a little bit of complexity, but I'll take the cabassa in the conga down a little bit. Let's have a listen. Yeah. See if we can notice a difference. Okay, so that sounds okay. Now looking here, it's got rather complex Neve type console in order to do the mixing. Groove Agent is typically just slots and faders. This one looks like it's got a little bit more to it based upon the actual components based upon the percussive elements. So let me just see what the kit is doing. So the kit is being routed through to this master type bus. There's no auxiliary effects. In the agent itself, each individual components, I'd like to say that I can see bits playing here. So there's the kit mix over in this corner. So where are the elements? Let's have a look. So there's the conga high in the first fader. Let's have a look at C. There's the tambourine. So it seems everything is based around C. So for argument's sake, I want to add some reverb to the clap, for instance. So what I could do is add some reverb to auxiliary 1. Using the agent, go to C. There's the clap. There's a send. So just to follow the pattern, using clap, I'm going to send it to auxiliary 1, which I've determined will be reverb. There's auxiliary 1. I've added some reverb. I'm going to turn the mix down a little bit because it's a bit potent. Turn the send down even more, even though I've turned the auxiliary. Now in addition to these things, I can add equalizer, compressor, some saturation or an envelope shaper. So I'll add some EQ. Turn the top end down a little smidge. Actually, I've just realised that this is for the finger snap. I want to be focusing on the clap, so it's easily done. You need to watch and see where the yellow box is surrounding. So let me just take some of that top end down, cut it a bit. Let's add some tape saturation, see what that does. Bit of drive to it. Turn the output down, now it's gone up. So that sounds nice, nice and natural even. So just play it through, see what it sounds like. Turn that volume down on the clap. So this adds a nice percussive element to what is quite a bland otherwise kick and roll arrangement. Hope that helps.